Installation of the Cornerstone CH200F self-closing adjustable hinge. First, choose the desired direction of mounting. Applications using post and gate frames larger than 2 inches should mount the hinge so that the vertical adjustment is on the fence post and the horizontal adjustment is on the gate frame. Applications with gate frames 2 inches or smaller should mount the hinge so that the vertical adjustment is on the gate frame and the horizontal adjustment is on the post. The top edge of the upper hinge should be mounted within 6 inches of the top surface of the top rail, and the bottom edge of the lower hinge should be mounted within 6 inches of the lower surface of the lower rail. Using the hinge as a guide, mark the center line of the desired installation location on both the gate post and the adjacent fence post. The mounting brackets should be positioned on the outside surfaces of the posts with the gate in the closed position. The mounting brackets with horizontal locking grooves are for the vertically adjustable side of the hinge, while the brackets with the vertical locking grooves are for the horizontally adjustable side of the hinge. Fasten the brackets at the desired height using the supplied screws. Install self-closing hinge assembly to the mounting brackets. The hinge should be positioned as shown so that the locking grooves on the mounting brackets will align with the grooves on the back side of the hinge. Secure with washers and acorn nuts using hand tools only. Adjust the closing force by inserting an Allen wrench into the cam at the end of the hinge barrel. Press the wrench inward, pushing the cam into the barrel. Rotate the cam clockwise to increase spring tension and counterclockwise to reduce spring tension. Adjust one hinge at a time in 1/4 inch turn increments. The tension should never be increased more than 2 full turns from zero tension. For more information, visit nationwideindustries.com.